Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are going to be sharing with you what we did while in Mazatlan, Puerta Vallarta, and Cabo San Lucas. Now, we didn't book any excursions. We did kind of just wing it, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, please continue watching. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified every time we upload a new video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. What are some of your favorite port day activities?
And here is the city right down here. This is where you take these little trams. Mazatlan was our first stop. We did not book an excursion, so once we got off the tram, we just went through the shopping center and went to the first taco stand we seen. We ordered some food, had some drinks. Everything was very good, and the prices were super inexpensive. There is also a lot of shopping you can do right at port. If you want to leave the port and walk to the city, we did that 2 years ago, which is where I did get those cathedral pictures from. We felt very safe. However, it is very important when you leave the port, you find the blue marked line on the ground. Just follow that blue line all the way through to the city. There is police and military on every single corner. So again, we felt very safe walking there, and the cathedral was beautiful.
Denise here in editing. So I have decided to make the executive, just kidding. I decided that I'm going to scratch all of the Puerta Vallarta footage for the video. What happened is we were going to take a taxi cab to the Malecon. We've been to Puerta Vallarta twice, have not made it to the Malecon. So we're like, cool, this time we're going. They're having a Day of the Dead celebration. Like, it was super exciting. We never stop for these salespeople or information booths, but this guy started talking, asked if we needed help with anything. We're like, yeah, we're just going to grab a taxi. He's like, cool, I can get you a taxi. He's all, hey, by the way, do you mind on going to a resort? It is an 1.5-hour tour of the resort a whole. You get to see all of the grounds. All we ask is that you share your reviews, maybe post some pictures on your social media. We're like, oh, that would be super awesome. So we get in a taxi, we drive. It's probably like a 25 minute drive to get to the resort. Then it's like another 10 minutes to get to the entrance. We get there. I'm going to say they weren't very polite, but it is what it is. And we come to find out that it is an 1.5-hour sales presentation for a membership. So should we have known better? Absolutely. We should have went with our gut. We're like, no, it's not that. But I'm going to be honest, it was so hot in Puerta Vallarta. We're like, cool, we'll go get a nice resort. It included a free lunch, which should have been our first clue. It was a timeshare membership. Anyways, so long story short, we ended up spending 5 hours at a resort. We could not leave because we didn't know our way out. Again, please don't come at us in the comments that we should have known it's a timeshare. We didn't know, so we went. Our bad. It cost us an entire day in Puerta Vallarta, so trust me, that's punishment enough. Anyways, I just wanted to come in, share that information, and continue the video.
Getting off the tender, and now all of the excursions are here.
Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, welcome. We do thank you for watching our videos. See, I need to be more personable. This is personable. People will like this. They won't, because it won't stop. Hi everybody, welcome. And those of you who are new here, welcome back.